Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we got a pretty cool unboxing, and yeah, it is a 1 pound. But again, before we get into the video, make sure you guys check out the channel sponsors down below. You guys can get an exclusive 10% off your fidgets. Links are down below. And yeah, all right, let's go ahead and get right into it now. Here it is. Holy. Alright, here we got some extra springs and balls and things. Anything else? Nope. So yeah, alright, I'm gonna put this aside. This is number 129. Here it is. Holy. Oh my God. That's this is just amazing. God, the video has just started. I had the PEI 1 pound. At the beginning, I loved it so much, but later on, it just became way too loud. But this thing is nowhere near as loud. It's the perfect tone. And I love the blasted Zirc on this thing. Oh, and the Teflon plate. There you go. Zirc number 129. God, like, the PEI is a really light and really high pitch. I wish I still had it. I actually sold it pretty recently to a subscriber as well. I wanted to keep it until I got this one to compare them, but unfortunately that didn't happen. I just sold it. But man, there you go, the 1 pound logo. But man, this thing is just out of this world. If you have a 1 pound, I strongly recommend you guys get the Zirc version, whether it's the polished or the blasted Zirc. God, I really love this thing, man. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 clicks. Oh my goodness, this thing. Also, I may or may not have a polished Zirc that I'm gonna unbox after this video. So yeah, I may or may not, so just keep that in mind. If I do, you guys will see another video of me unboxing a polished version. Oh my goodness, this thing is amazing. I can't stop playing with it. Alright, before I keep on playing with it and rambling on, let me go ahead and get the weight of this thing. This thing has a limit of 100 grams, so I think this will do. I'm not sure. 75. Okay. 75 grams with this thing. And then you guys ready? Let's do the sound test now. Does not go over 63, like from this range. And if it's to your ear, it's like double or triple the range most of the time. It's like this tray's length. This thing is not loud at all, and it gives so much haptic feedback. I absolutely love it. God, I am completely in love with this thing. I think I need a second one. Just because. Blasted Zirc, second one, I mean. God, and this thing looks big, has a lot of material, but it's not that heavy. Like 75 grams for the amount of material there is here. In stainless steel, this would be like probably 120 grams, but this thing is 75. It's real light. Zirc, I think, is the best material for fidgets, almost. Spinners, I really like it. I really like the NJT hand power Vader spinner in Zirc. It's one of my favorite things I have right now. Zirc makes a nice slider, like for sliding material, nice noise material, and then nice spinner material, because it makes good sound and has good weight to it, where it's light and then not too heavy. But yeah, it's got like a nice worry stone feel to it as well. Good luck trying to find these things. The blasted Zircs are really, really hard to find. I will tell you that. But these things are amazing. They live up to their name. God, it's amazing. I have absolutely nothing bad to say about this thing. You guys can also, of course, unscrew these things and change the ball on the spring. Bigger ball, smaller ball, longer spring, shorter spring. The tension affects the clicks, the sound, the feel, the vibrations you get through your hands. So yeah, everything. God, this thing's amazing. Again, I guess that'll be all for this video, guys. I mean, I don't want to keep rambling on about nothing. But yeah, 10 out of 10, 100% recommend it if you guys can even get your hands on a blasted Zirc one. But yeah, I guess that'll be all for this video, guys. Again, make sure to check out the channel sponsors down below. You use code DailyDoseOfFidgets on BigWhiteEDC.com. Get 10% off your entire order. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos. See you guys in the next one.